napanan ni DJ Sambales, bali, nagpaso kami DJ Comprehensive Development Plan tayo, which is 2020 to 2025. So we need to update that into Comprehensive Development Plan 2026 to 2031. So ito apo napasamak DJ pinag-workshop iti all department heads which they are members of the city planning team ng Makunkuna. So there was an EO for that city planning team. So itzay apo na formulate tayo baruman nga, we revisited our vision for 2020-2025. Nag-formulate kami the new vision for 2020-2031. At the same time, since the direction tayo kat smart city, so na-integrate itzay, dagiti smart city initiatives tayo to, including climate and disaster risk PPAs tayo, including GAD din. So, andun din si Gender and Development. So, amin apo nga plano para iti city for the next 6 years na pagsasalitaan itzay through the guidance of, syempre, the Department of Interior and Local Government. So far, we committed ourselves in that. Actually, craft na vision for 2026-2031 is a most livable smart city for everyone. So, DJ apo ti pagtaktak diran tayo for the next 6 years with all the programs, projects, and activities na na-identify during that workshop. Tayo, DJ nga DJ roadmap tayo for smart city. For a smart city na integrate amin DJ program tayo to become a smart city, like for instance, integrating innovations on our services, social services, in infrastructure, most especially the traffic management tayo, which is a priority now, kasi nga makikita tayo the effects iti traffic iti city tayo. At the same time, there is when it comes to agriculture, so there are those technologies na rin na masakot tayo integrate inside, including our environmental management. Yes, karama amin DJ planning to DJ ma'am, which is kitkitain tayo DJ, iso nga napan tayo pa nag-benchmark DJ Subic, kasi di traffic management.